Okay, so today we are going to do a budget-friendly, beginner-friendly Rave Coachella makeup design. Come join me. 2016 is coming back and we're seeing people loving makeup again. More makeup, more color, glitter, sparkle, and having fun. So today I'm going to create an affordable, fun, easy to create look using stencils and glitter and color. And I will also show you, tell you guys about some alternative, more affordable brands that could do the trick with this look as well. So today I've already got my foundation, my contour, blush, highlight on, brows, little smoked out liner and lashes. If you want to learn how to do this type of vibe, I've got other videos for you. But today we're going to focus on the fun part. Let's do this. Okay, so I have so many fun products in my kit, and I teach a ton of personal makeup lessons where people come with all this fun stuff and they have no idea how to use it. So today we're going to use lots of it. I'm going to first of all do a little bit of a chrome sheen to my skin, like a really exaggerated highlight to help it all stick. I'm going to apply some of the, oh my God, what's it called? It's called Fix Potion by Carla Cosmetics. So I ordered this when I was in the UK last. I ordered 2 of her different loose pigments that can either be used as like a sparkle, or if you pair it with this, it can make like a nice iridescent glow. I sometimes have used it on some models for photo shoots, but I haven't had a chance to use it a lot. So I'm going to use it today. So first of all, I'm going to just kind of apply this where I want to apply the chrome, and I need to let it dry. Otherwise it's not going to work. So this is the one that I want to use. It's called Sleepyhead, which is the opposite to what you're going to be at Coachella. You will not be a sleepyhead at Coachella. So yeah, make sure that it totally dries. It's funny because it's invisible. It's like barely sticky. But yeah, this one's kind of like a blue, purple, iridescent glitter. And when you apply it you can do it with your finger, and you're kind of wiping it on, massaging it on. It's going to turn into more of this iridescent, almost like a mermaid glow, which I just love so much. Yeah, I used this for a bride photo shoot once, and it looked so nice as an iridescent eyeshadow. Okay, so this is going to serve as my really cool base that everybody at Coachella is going to ask me about. Where did you get that? What is it? It's so cool. It's 10 different colors all in one product. Okay, so Shein has some really inexpensive alternatives for this, and you can also get it on Amazon for around 20 bucks. So now I'm chroming. I'm going to go in with my stencil. I'm just going to be doing a half flower, and then we're going to have some fun with glitter. I'm so torn. I'm using my MAC eyeshadow that I have in my kit. It's called Connect in Color. You can definitely just go to the drugstore and pick up some fun and wacky colors from NYX or Kiss. Those are both amazing brands. They have honestly got such great products for really inexpensive. I don't know why I'm feeling the lime vibes right now, so I'm gonna have a look at what this is gonna turn out like. Lime first. So I'm just going to hold that stencil nice and tight in place, and with a small pencil brush, I'm just kind of packing the color on. That's fun. Ooh, maybe I want to do a gradient onto a different color. So now I've done that there, I think I'm going to do more of a pink on the underneath. That's the thing with makeup. It's just have fun. See what happens. Just do it. And then if it looks bad, just change it. Okay, cool. I think I'm going to do some glitter now. So I got, honestly, Temu, Shein, Amazon. You can buy packs of 5 of these for $12. It's so cheap. So this one, I'm inspired by this one. That's where I got the green vibe going on. Again, before it gets to your face, just put it on your hand and see what it looks like first. So I find with glitters, they can sometimes pull off your foundation. Coachella is usually absolutely boiling hot. So yeah, like you don't want anything that's going to like peel off your foundation if you are going to wear a foundation. I mean, if you can get away without wearing foundation at Coachella, I highly recommend it, actually. I actually went to Coachella. I don't even remember what the year was, a long time ago from now. And I mean, look at me, I'm white as a ghost. English skin, I burn easily. So I wanted to get a spray tan done before I went. And I was working at Absolute Spa at the time, and the girl was practicing spray tans. So she practiced on me 3 times in one day, and I had one hell of a spray tan. Maybe I can find a photo and Lindsay can insert it for you. I looked good. But then the thing that happened next is you get sweaty while you're dancing at all the concerts, and people are rubbing up against you while you're dancing at the concerts, not in the tent. And they have like spray machines everywhere and stuff to keep everyone cool. And guess what happened? My spray tan, my triple layer spray tan, started coming off in patches. I looked like I had vitiligo. That's fine and all, but that wasn't the look I was going for. And so on the evening, me and these friends that I had made from Oklahoma literally sat scrubbing me until it all came off. So you'll see the pictures from the beginning of the trip where I'm gorgeous with this gorgeous tan, and then all of a sudden I'm white within 3 days. Very big mistake. Never ever do a 3-layer spray tan. Bad idea. Okay, so I'm putting some of this green, like finer glitters first of all, kind of around my flower, my pretty flower. Oh my God, it's so cute. So cute. And then I love asymmetry personally, but I do feel like you should put a little bit of those sparkles on this side too, kind of in with your iridescent highlight here. Yeah. And then I think I'll incorporate, I'm going to do some of the bigger chunky glitter once that's dried. In the meantime, I'm going to do a little bit of fun eyeshadow to incorporate those colors into my eyes. I'm going to be crazy and use that lime green in my eyes. Craziness. I'm just going to do a little bit of, I don't think I even have an eye primer on right now, whatever. Put an eye primer on, it makes a difference. But yeah, my eyes have become a little bit more hooded in my 37 years of age that I am now. So I'm going to bring that color a little higher so I can really see it, and then work it onto the lid as well. Like I said, you guys could just use something from like NYX or something. It doesn't have to be an expensive eyeshadow. Yeah, when it comes to using like lots of fun color, like I personally like to create a look that still looks pretty and not too wacky, you know? Like I don't want to look like I'm just like face painting. It wants to look more like festival fun vibes, not like kids face painting. So that's why I'm just doing that kind of like ombre, flower, like subtle with some glitter. Make it really like fashionable. Fun. I don't think I want to use the pink eyeshadow in my eyes. I find that pink just kind of ends up making me look like I've got like pink eye or something. So sticking with the greens. Pulling it under my eye a little here too. Actually, I think my daughter will love this makeup. She's going to want me to do her makeup today if she sees me like this. Every morning she's like, I want you to do my makeup too. And then I have to pretend, because she's 3.5. Does any other mom have this problem with their kid that they watch you doing your makeup and then want to wear makeup? Leave me comments down here. I'm intrigued. Okay, that's looking fun. That's looking good. I'm into it. Fun. Now let's finalize this look. Oh, I might add some blush. I don't know. With the chunky glitter. And this glitter, like you can put this all over your body and stuff too if you want to, like, or like in your hair. I don't know. It depends if you're camping or if you're staying in a hotel. When I went, I was camping, so there was no way I was going to put this into my hair. I would have been a grease bomb. And I don't use the showers when I go because everything is just disgusting. Ugh, no. It's a past time, me, camping, festivals. I discovered that when I did Bass Coast Music Festival for my stagette. Discovered I'm too old for this. Yeah, I love these big chunky glitters because they're like really impactful. You know, it's easy to like stand out. Let's put a couple on this side too. Are you going to Coachella this year? Are you camping or are you staying in a tent? Leave me comments down here. I'm intrigued to know. Yeah, my daughter's gonna be so jealous. She loves getting her face painted. I'll be doing face painting tonight, I think. It's Friday. Friday is good for face painting with your kid. Okay, cool. Cool. I just gotta grab a thing or two. Yeah. Okay, a little bit of a highlighter here, just on the inner corners of my eyes. An extreme highlight? Oh, yeah. Why not? Extreme highlight. This one's one from Youngblood, which is a line I retail at the salon. It is a bit more of a pricey line, but honestly, I feel like with a good highlighter, you could totally pick one up from NYX. This one's a loose one, so I find loose pigments are a little bit more intense. But yeah, just in general, budget-friendly option for makeup. I highly recommend NYX and Kiss. They both have very creative products too. So, you know, like graphic color liners, like they're fun makeup lines. And that's the thing, when you're doing something that's a bit more fun with makeup and it's not your everyday makeup, you don't necessarily want to invest lots of money in that because it's not something you're going to use regularly. You know, it's something for your Coachella. It's something for your Halloween. It's your fun box. Oh yeah, I ended up mixing in the green with a little bit of pink, so I did actually put the pink under here. So it's kind of like almost like an orangey color now, but I quite like it. Okay, I'm gonna do Guava lip gloss. This one's from Youngblood. I retail it at the salon. It's kind of like like a real nice bright coral. Just gives a little like hint of color to the lips and hydration too. Lip gloss is going to be the easiest so that you're not having to worry about like reapplying lips. Yeah, and then like it leaves the focus in the fun colors and the glitter. And yeah, I feel like I need to go to a rave now. I need to go to a rave. It's night out. Okay, cool. I love it. And it probably wouldn't take too long as well. Like this would be like something you do in the morning, take you like 15 minutes, I don't know, 10, just having fun with your friends, hanging out and getting ready to party your asses off at Coachella. So stencils like this, honestly, Amazon, Temu, Shein, inexpensive, like super inexpensive. I think I got like a giant like packet of them for like, again, like $12 or something. So yeah, you can pick your designs, lightning bolts, whatever, I don't know, whatever the theme you have in your mind. I chose my flower theme, but yeah, I really love like using just a half stencil and choosing to mix the colors in the design so that it's not, again, like it's not just a face paint, like a kid's face paint. It's like an adult fun party rave look. Cool. Okay, I'm finished with my look. I hope you managed to follow along and feel like you could recreate this by ordering a few inexpensive stencils and glitters and getting an NYX or Kiss colourful eyeshadow palette, pair it with a gloss that you've already got, and feel like you could go out there and dance the day and night away. Remember guys, subscribe to my channel, please. Love the support. Leave me comments if you've got questions about where to buy anything or like different color combinations that you could use, or if you've got any requests for other videos you want me to see. I am all yours, and that's what I love doing for you guys on this channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.